Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Trend Trader, with a quick update on the S&P or traditional markets. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. These markets are extremely volatile, so please do your own research and trade responsibly. Well, I'm sure a lot of you remember this chart, the old Wyckoff distribution on the S&P 500, SPX weekly, and it didn't get the best responses when I posted it initially. That this was in fact upthrust after distribution had taken place, but I think it's pretty clear now. Now that we have put in a local top and a 15% drop from that. Yes, you heard me correct. 15% drop from it. At this point in time, it looks like we're coming down to test that 0.5. We're at the buying climax resistance, so we could find support right here. Obviously, you see the green box area at the 0.5. We could potentially come back down to 618, 786, 886. Obviously, I mean, this is plotted down to 1.618 or 2.618. I mean, let's not get too crazy yet, but I mean, people are saying, oh yeah, prices are starting to look really good, da da da. Look, you could buy the dip all you want in an uptrend, but this is not a buy the dip scenario going on right now. This is like a market structure potential, like, this is a black swan event, like world changing event. Like, if you don't see the size of this right here, if you don't see the size of this weekly candle that closes today, this weekly bearish Marabazoo, I mean, this is engulfing like how much price action right here, and there's not even a wick at the bottom yet. So maybe if you see a wick like that, maybe start getting interested. If you see a wick up to here, start getting interested. I don't know. Right now, this to me says continuation. So, but yeah, we'll keep an eye on this and see how everything shapes out. I didn't actually take a look at this here. As you can see, one's affected by log scale and one is not. So it just gives you an idea. Okay, so we're at the 0.5 here. So this is, right now, that's where the green box is. That's basically, in between the 0.5 log and not affected by log scale. So we could see a little bounce here. We could see, potentially a move back up to like the 382 even, 2,900, 3,000. But like I said, I mean, at this point in time, I would expect continuation because everybody is trapped now from up here. Anybody that bought anywhere in here is upside down. This is what you have to pay attention to in a situation like this, okay? This is what, there is going to be so much selling pressure because every single person that put money in the stock market, an already over leveraged stock market, from here on up is negative now. All these people are upside down. So as every time price tries to move back up now, all these people are going to be trying to sell into it to get out of that position. And that's what keeps forcing it. And then eventually we're going to get to that point where right now there's still, majority of people are in profit. But if price continues to sell off and we get like a serious, threat to the overall uptrend, you're going to end up with this area right here. And that right there, the volume on this right here is a ton because there was so long in that area consolidating and everything. So if we break through this area right here, that's absolute danger zone. This absolute danger zone. So we'll keep an eye on it. You don't get bearish now though. I mean, there's no reason to get bearish now. You should have been bearish. We've been bearish all through this move up here, you could tell that up thrust, it was all just fake. I mean, it was complete euphoria in the markets. You know, you could throw your money at anything. Things were coming out and completely missing earnings, and then, you know, spiking up 3% the next day. You know, blame it on the coronavirus, but it's all, you know, it's all been in the charts forever. Show me the chart, I'll tell you the news. Crypto trend trader. I'm sorry, guys, but it was all there. I'm out of here.